Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payments from Stripe for your US data projects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw payments from Stripe for your US data projects, you need to follow these detailed steps. First, ensure you have a verified Stripe account. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Balance tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see an overview of your current balance. Review your available balance to confirm the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, click on the Payouts option. In the Payouts section, you will see a summary of past payouts and the payout schedule. Select the option to create a new payout. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your payout method, typically a bank transfer. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add Bank Account. Fill in the required bank account information accurately. Confirm the bank account details by following the prompts. Once your bank account is linked, return to the payout request. Recheck the amount and payout method. Click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation notification about your payout request. Typically, payouts take between 2 to 7 business days to reflect in your bank account. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your payout. If you encounter any issues, visit the Stripe support page for assistance. Keep records of your transactions and payout history for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.